Hello and welcome back to another episode of Chit Chat Show, which is sponsored by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. Today on our guest list is a theatre actor and also someone who has acted in many Hindi serials. You must have seen him in Shastri Brothers, Shastri Sisters, and many other serials. So let's just welcome Mr. Jhalak Motiwala and get to know more about his life and his journey till now. Yes, he's there. Hello, everybody who has joined. Hello, Amit. Hello, Avinash. Ji, good evening. Good evening, Vinayak ji. Hello, Jalak. How are you?
Hi. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too.
I hope I'm clear. Is
Yes,
it audible?
pretty much. Yes, very much audible and very much clear. So tell me, आपका लॉकडाउन कैसा जा रहा है? कैसे इस पूरे इतने महीनों में आपने क्या क्या कुछ नया किया जो आप पहले नहीं कर पा रहे थे?
Oh, lockdown. It's a tough question because it hurts.
It hurts.
But yeah,
Yeah, it hurts everybody
I've
actually.
done. Yeah, it's a wrong question to ask. There have
No,
been
but then
some.
no, but then see, you should see the positive side also. बहुत लोग ऐसे कंप्लेन करते थे ना, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, तो अब टाइम मिल गया, so they can do whatever they want to, right?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
was coming to the best part about
yeah,
lockdown.
yeah,
I've learned a lot of things.
yeah. Okay.
I knew cooking पहले से, but basic.
अच्छा.
So because of
अंडा
lockdown,
उबालना आता
I
था आपको बेसिक में?
हाँ अंडा उबालना मैगी बनाना नहीं इतना भी
मैगी
नहीं
बनाना. अच्छा, okay.
I knew how to cook basic sabjis.
Okay,
So
okay.
we being a Gujarati, so we have
Okay.
proper khana घर पे. But because of lockdown, one of the main reasons of was helping mom. तो mom को help करने के चक्कर में काफी कुछ सीख लिया.
अच्छा.
I learned a bit of guitar also.
Oh,
uh, I learned Zumba. That's new.
oh,
That's something new.
oh, oh, wow.
Yeah. But the best part about lockdown was the amount of time I could spend with my family.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
very true.
because my line of work is such that
हाँ, कि
we
आप
don't
spend
have
नहीं कर
any
पाते थे.
specified we
Yeah,
don't have any
yeah,
specified holidays
yeah.
or
Timings,
weekends. You know, as
timings.
yeah weekends होते थे.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah.
family के साथ बैठना एक साथ time
Right,
spend करना was very difficult.
right.
So this lockdown has been a blessing.
Yeah.
It's been magic. So there has not been a single night where my family is not sat together and we haven't watched a movie.
Oh, great. तो
So
आपने
we
मतलब
have
अभी
watched
तक तो
movie in all.
हाँ, कितनी मूवीज देख ली है? Like अगर if I calculate 4 months, so probably 120
Yeah, more
movies?
than 100 movies. Yeah,
Yeah,
more
more
than
than
100
100.
movies.
Yeah, oh
And
my God.
that too in
Yeah.
almost every language possible,
अच्छा.
every genre possible.
Hmm. So
Because we
that
cannot
means that
watch some movies with
some movies with
sorry,
the parents. So
some
that means
movies with the family. We cannot watch that.
yeah. So that means that your family is also a movie buff.
Yeah, they are. And see, that's one of the things which I learned about my family, which I could not all these years.
अच्छा, पता ही नहीं था आपको.
Yeah, so
Okay,
there have
okay.
been many aspects जो family
Yeah.
के बारे में पता चले, and that's the best part about lockdown.
Okay.
And I
Okay.
always
So
remember lockdown because of this. I'll
right.
say this is the
Yeah.
silver lining in the gloomy cloud of
Right.
lockdown. Yeah,
Lockdown.
that's the
Yes.
best way to put it.
Yeah. Yeah. तो खाने में आपने क्या क्या बनाया? क्या है? Like क्या ऐसी special चीज बनाई?
The
Without
the, the
anybody's
favorite
help.
the favorite the favorite thing which I experimented and it turned
Yeah.
out good
Yeah.
was cheese vegetable toast sandwich with
Okay.
mayonnaise.
Okay.
Yeah, so I tried
अच्छा.
mixing. I did
Yeah.
an experiment,
Yeah.
and it was
Okay.
awesome.
Oh,
I loved
great.
it. That's the best uh, thing
Yeah.
which I prepared.
जो आपने उसमें बनाया, great. So, of all the movies, any particular movie that you loved, या any particular, आपने Hollywood की भी देखी होगी, I'm sure, Hollywood, Bollywood, and
Yeah.
Gujarati movies and all that. So, कौन से genre की movie या कौन सी, thriller, comedy, किस तरह की movie आपको ज़्यादा पसंद आती है या आपके घर वालों को ज़्यादा पसंद आती है?
My family loves mostly comedy movies and Gujarati movies,
Yeah.
but my genre is realistic movies.
Okay.
I don't typically like Bollywood
Yeah.
Bollywood
Okay.
movies.
Okay.
So the recent name which I can come up with right now is there's a movie called Poshampa.
Okay.
Yeah, and it hurts me that there are so many good movies out there which the public do not
Don't even know.
recognize,
Yeah.
and it's bad. Yeah, it's bad because there's so much great cinema out there,
Yeah. Yeah.
and sadly we only get to know 10% of
So why don't
the
you
big blockbusters.
why don't you just tell your fans and all, like, you know, आपके account के through आप क्यों नहीं बताते उनको कि कौन कौन सी आपको movies अच्छी लगी? Probably, you know, they will also like to watch and they will also tell you that, you know, they also loved it. So generally क्या
No,
होता
no,
है,
true,
like
true, true, and
I remember there was a movie called Tumbad, right? So I
yeah,
thought
yeah,
initially that it is a horror movie and, you know, typical horror होगी. But then like, you know, I started getting mouth to mouth, जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि सबने उसको recommend किया. And initially I was like apprehensive कि नहीं यार कौन जाएगा. And then I thought कि चलो देख के आते हैं. But it turned out so good, such a good movie. Like it was like a class apart. मतलब मैंने ऐसी movie कोई देखी ही नहीं आज तक Bollywood में. So you know,
true, very true.
yeah,
It's a masterpiece. It's a
yeah, it's a
masterpiece,
masterpiece.
especially the
Yes.
cinematography.
Yeah,
Oh,
amazing.
I haven't seen.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah.
And I'm glad that
Yeah.
I remember I watched this movie
Yeah.
in a multiplex. So I'm
Yeah.
glad I did that.
Yeah, same here.
You know?
Yeah, very true. So, like, you know,
I do make it a point that I put stories, and
Okay.
all my fans know that.
Okay, great.
I recommend movies which should be recommended,
Yeah,
which the people
yeah,
don't know about.
Yeah.
I do my part.
Okay. So, someone has said, अच्छा, what about your shows? Do your family watch your old episodes? आपके शो के old episodes देखती हैं क्या आपकी family? तो आप बैठ के वो देखती है क्या? नहीं.
See,
घर के
my
मुर्गी दाल
mom,
बराबर.
and yeah, correct. See, my mom is typical daily soap.
अच्छा, okay, अच्छा.
Yeah.
ओके, तो
So
वो पूरे अभी
उनको
जो
वो
वापस से
typical.
स्टार्ट हो गए हैं, अब तो वापस से डेली सोप स्टार्ट हो गए हैं, तो अभी तो बिल्कुल भी किसी को रिमोट पे हाथ लगाने को मिलता ही
Yeah.
नहीं होगा.
नहीं,
Okay.
बिल्कुल नहीं. And my family is supportive in the way that whichever show I do. So
Okay.
at present, I'm doing a Gujarati show.
Okay.
So they do watch the show with me.
Okay.
But repeat telecast, no, I
हाँ,
don't think so.
मतलब you know, करंट एपिसोड देखते हैं, पुराने तो देखे होते हैं, उस पे
नहीं, you said it right. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. So that's how it is.
Okay. So tell me, like, you know, how your journey started, like how you became an actor. Was it always like, you know, in your mind, in your thought process कि आपको acting करनी है, या कहीं ना कहीं डेस्टिनी ने कुछ ऐसा आपके साथ खेल रचा कि आप यहाँ पहुंच गए? Hi, Anuj. Yeah.
It's been a crazy journey.
Okay.
The best way I can put it is that I always, when I was a kid, I never thought of becoming an actor, but
Okay.
like all the 100 crore public in India, I wanted to be
All
famous. I
wanted.
wanted to be on TV. I
Okay,
wanted to be
okay.
on the big screen.
Okay.
I did not love
Okay.
acting or
अच्छा.
the creative aspect of it. I did not know back then. But then, and also coming from a middle class background, we don't have the privilege of choosing such a line.
True.
So after my
Middle class में तो
graduation,
जॉब करनी होती है, बेसिकली जॉब करके
Yeah.
एक जॉब करके जो आपको मंथली इनकम होती है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
security, that's what it's called.
Yes.
Security is
Yeah,
very important.
yeah,
And they're not
yeah.
wrong. They are not wrong.
Yeah.
Because our family cares about
true.
us.
Yeah.
But yeah, I completed my graduation and dabbled in a few jobs for a year and a half or so.
Okay.
And then by chance, I got this first break in a show called Crazy Stupid Ishq
कैसे?
for Channel
By
V.
chance कैसे? आप जा रहे थे रास्ते से, they called you.
No.
कैसे?
I wish it was so simple.
Okay. Yeah.
So there were audition messages on Facebook.
Okay.
So I used to just go ऐसे try my luck,
तो
you know.
ये
My
जो
friends
Facebook
used
पे
to.
आते हैं और जो मैसेजेस आते हैं, तो मतलब ये सही होते हैं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सब फेक होते हैं. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि half of the messages are fake, you know.
No, not half of them. 1/4 are fake.
Okay.
Now you must be knowing. But at that time I had no clue.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to try my luck because दोस्तों ने बड़ा चढ़ा के बोल दिया था कि तू अच्छा दिखता है, you should go for it, and blah blah blah.
Okay.
So I just tried. I never thought I'll take it seriously.
Yeah.
So I used to go for these auditions, and somehow
After your job,
it no while I was doing college. So तब
college
से
में. Okay, okay, okay.
हाँ, so तब से ही मतलब कभी कभार महीने में एक बार आई ऐसे
Yeah,
ट्राई करने, let's try something
yeah,
new.
yeah, yeah,
And it was pretty bad,
yeah.
not pretty, very very bad.
So वो समझ में
Yeah,
आता
that's
है
how
ना,
I
like after a while you get to know कि कैसे दिया था यार, कैसे expressions दिए थे उस time पे. You know, initially
I
you don't
still
realize
remember
that.
I still remember
Yeah.
I was very bad, very bad.
Okay. Okay.
But you learn
Yeah,
in the
learn eventually.
process.
Yes, yes, true.
So I kept giving on auditions like this, and when I got my first call, um, I was working with an online marketing company,
Okay.
and I got this call, and I was not supposed to do this because my family was against it. So I
अच्छा.
thought I'll say no.
हाँ.
But then I have this very my best friend. She's a girl. She told me, "Jalak, अगर तूने इस बार ना बोला, I'll never talk to you. Just do one
अच्छा.
thing. Go
हाँ.
for go for
हाँ.
the shoot. एक दो दिन शूट करके आ जा, पैसे मत लेना. You want to be on TV, right? That's your dream." I said, बात तो सही है.
हाँ.
And at that time, I did not even have a clue that continuity क्या होता है. I was selected for a continuity character.
अच्छा.
I had no
Okay.
clue. I was so
Okay.
naive, yeah.
हाँ. Okay.
So I lied at my place that I am going out. I took a couple of days leave from my job,
Right.
and simply when I went there for the first day, I was so naive. I did not even know that we actors have our own makeup room,
अच्छा.
or I'll get a room.
अच्छा.
Yeah, I was so such a kid at that time. So it was love at first sight.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
Oh,
the
you
best
were
way I
like,
can put it with.
because you are pampered, you are मेकअप हो जाता है, आपके बाल संवर जाते हैं, आपको ड्रेसेस दी जाती है, ये आपको पहनना है, आपके लिए पानी लाया जाता है, तो you feel like, oh my God, इतना हमें पैम्पर किया जा रहा है, right?
Yeah. Do I deserve this? Do I
Yeah,
deserve this?
yeah.
Yeah. And
Okay.
coming from a job which was my
Yeah,
first or
exactly.
second job, and
Yeah,
how
yeah.
I must be treated in the job.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Marketing,
this
that to
अचानक
marketing,
से this
right?
new world, yeah, and अचानक से
Yeah.
this new world, I
Right.
was like, wow, this is good.
So you were
So
fascinated
I
by
did.
this world, right? You were fascinated
I
by
w-
this world. Yeah.
yeah. At first I was fascinated by this world, but
Yeah.
then after my first show,
Yeah.
which was I got only 6 lines
Okay.
in the 6 months which I did the show.
अच्छा.
But after the
कंटिन्यूटी में फिर
yeah,
आपको
yeah.
कैसे कैसे क्या
I was
तुषार
that
सर होते हैं
background
ना?
office में. No,
अच्छा.
there's this
ओके
background
ओके
office में
ओके
लोग नहीं
ओके.
होते, yeah.
हाँ, तो वो हमेशा वो बैठे
So,
रहते हैं और देखते रहते हैं, वॉच करते रहते हैं, चल रहा है,
yeah.
like that. Yeah, okay, okay.
But that was a paid internship for me.
Yeah, paid
I
internship, exactly.
always I
Yeah,
yeah, I always tell people that
yeah.
technical knowledge is also very very important.
Very important. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Very very important.
yeah. Very true.
Also, when I started when I continued this thing, I shifted my job timings. I did not leave my job because I could
Oh,
not. मैंने घर पे
oh.
पता नहीं था.
अच्छा.
For the next 3 months, I shifted my job to graveyard shift. That is रात को 11 से
रात
सुबह
को
7 बजे
11.
तक.
हाँ, okay.
And in the morning, I used to go for a shoot.
हाँ.
And at the end of 3 months, I was like a zombie. So
हाँ.
हालत खराब हो चुकी थी मेरी. So
हाँ,
finally, I
कैसे कर रहे थे?
confessed
मैं
घर पे कि
पूछने वाली थी कि कैसे, तो घर पे अभी तक वो सीरियल रिलीज नहीं हुआ था, आप घर पे किसी को पता नहीं चला that you are doing this, something like this. अच्छा.
किसी
ऐसा कुछ
को
नहीं है.
पता नहीं था.
तो मतलब आपकी पोल खुलने से पहले आपने ही बता दिया कि देखो मैंने ऐसा ऐसा किया है, एंड how was their reaction? क्या था उनका रिएक्शन?
Honestly, the reaction was कि पैसे अच्छे मिल रहे compared to my job.
Okay.
तो कर लो.
Yeah.
And I was supposed to. There's one more thing. I was supposed to fly to China
Okay.
for a
For
job.
your job. For a job.
But my
Okay.
passport got delayed.
Okay. Okay.
So my family was like, जब तक आपको passport नहीं आ जाता तब तक
हाँ, कर लो.
पैसे अच्छे मिल रहे, कर लो.
कर लो.
So it was, first of all, it was because of the money.
Yeah.
I must say.
Yeah.
And when I completed the show, मेरा passport आ गया, and I had a long discussion with my family, and they only said one thing. They're like, if you want to do this, do it, but do it as do or die.
Yeah.
There's no you'll not
True.
be allowed to change your line.
Yeah. True.
So the
You have
first
to
thing
give
I did
everything.
after, yeah, that's what I believe. I believe we cannot have a second option or a
Yeah.
fallback option. That's wrong, according to me.
Yeah.
जब तक वो आग नहीं होती अंदर, तो
Yeah.
that's how
कैसे?
our line is.
Right.
So the first thing I did after I completed the first show, I earned decent amount of money. So the first thing I did was I joined an acting class
Acha.
because I had the practical knowledge for the 6 months.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. But then you
I
wanted to
joined,
basically polish it.
yeah. So
Okay.
I joined an acting class, and after joining the acting class, and after the acting class, I joined theater. So
Okay.
after that, I fell in love with
Yeah. Theater.
camera and stage.
Yeah.
And the love for camera and stage is such that once you love it, you cannot
Yeah.
unlove it.
Yeah. Very
You know,
true.
once you love
And you know,
your,
especially the theater love, people who love theater, you know, they have their own, like, you know, I always say, बहुत लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं थिएटर में क्या मजा आता है यार, like, you know, बट जो करते हैं, जिन्होंने थिएटर को एक्सपीरियंस किया हुआ है, डूइंग द सेम लाइंस, यू नो, एंड यू नो रिहर्सल्स कभी कभी 1 महीना 2 महीना 3 महीना चलती है, एंड यू कीप अप इम्प्रोवाइजिंग द थिंग, एंड यू नो बेसिकली उसको एक लाइव ऑडियंस के सामने करना, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम जिसे बोलते हैं ना, वो एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस
it's
होता है.
it's
Yeah.
magic. I cannot
Magic.
I cannot
Yeah.
explain it
Yeah.
to someone
True.
who has not
Yeah.
performed on stage or who does not
Yeah.
love stage.
Yeah.
It's
I agree.
magical. It's
Yeah.
and the best part about theater is the rehearsals. I love rehearsals the
Yeah.
most.
Yeah.
फिर
True.
वो चाहे
True.
1 महीना हो 2 महीना हो 3 महीना
हाँ.
हो, I
हाँ.
love the process.
Yeah. Very
And you
true.
know, a single clap from the audience
Yeah.
makes your day.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
So
like, you
it's
know.
like
Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
it's like how you once you start loving your mom, you cannot unlove your mom.
True. I
You know,
agree.
so
Agree
how
on
much
that
ever
part.
how much ever struggles or how much ever pain my career gives me,
Yeah.
it's still you know, acceptable because
Yeah.
I love my work.
Yeah. So there's one viewer, Hiba Cuteness, her Insta handle says, you know, she wants to ask कि आपने अभी तक जितने भी काम किए हैं, you know, तो उसमें से आपका फेवरेट शो कौन सा है?
Tough choice. But I would go for Shriman Shrimati फिर से. I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
Because first of all, I got to work with big stalwarts like Suresh Menon, Barkha Bisht, Hitesh Dave, Sucheta Khanna,
Yeah.
such huge actors, and
Yeah,
Rajan Wagdare. If you know
Yeah.
Rajan sir, he's a huge name in the comedy industry.
Right.
Rajan sir.
Yeah.
So when I got this thing, I was like shocked. Ki, how do I deserve it? But then, and the best part was when I started shooting, so I played Gokhale. If the viewers remember, and if you know Shriman Shrimati Firse, if you know Gokhale. So every other day I used to don a new avatar,
अच्छा.
and that was challenging. That
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
that was the best part.
Yeah.
So I got to play so many characters in that show.
I think that's the
That
best
has
part
to
of
be-
being an actor, you know. अगर जैसे आपने बोला, like, you know, for normal, like, you know, एक normal life में हम एक ही किरदार निभाते हैं, like whatever, like job हो गया या कुछ भी हो गया. But as an actor, we can play a lawyer, we can play a police person, we can play so many things, you know, doctor, और कहीं ना कहीं, you know, you get to say all those dialogues और उसको एक you know बिल्कुल conviction से निभाना, तो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि अच्छा डॉक्टर होते तो ऐसा होता है, you know, and पुलिस वाले होते तो ऐसा होता. So you get basically आप जो उसको जब कैरेक्टर के अंदर घुसते हैं, आपको वो कैरेक्टर मिलते हैं तो बहुत मजा आता है, you know, that's the best part. तो वो जो गोखले
that's
वाला
the best.
या
हाँ, हाँ.
उसमें आपका जो आपने जितने भी किरदार निभाए उसमें आपका फेवरेट कौन सा था? कौन सा
Oh, I
character?
cannot do that. All characters are my favorite. All characters are my favorite. I cannot choose one.
अच्छा.
You have to watch it because all the characters are north and south.
Oh,
You know,
okay,
I
okay.
played a Bengali. I played
अच्छा.
a 70-year-old man.
हाँ.
I played an African Chinese mix guy. So many characters. Yeah,
So
I cannot
tell
choose
me-
one.
Yeah, so tell me, like, you know, आपके जो उसमें से, like, you know, you played Bengali, तो कैसे आप उसको prepare करते थे? Because being a Gujju and, you know, now playing a Bengali, तो वो Bengali का एक अलग, you know, लहजा जिसे बोलते हैं वो होता है. कैसे
Yeah,
आपने
true.
उसको, कैसे उसको आप करते थे?
First of all, I would give credit to theater.
Okay, okay,
Because it whatever I am right now और जितना भी मैं कर
Yeah.
सकता हूँ,
yeah,
how much of a good I am right now,
yeah,
mostly because of theater.
yeah,
Secondly, I had great co-actors with me. So
Okay.
talking about the Bengali character,
yeah,
I had Suresh Menon with me.
okay,
he has played
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
iconic
yeah.
Bengali characters.
Okay,
So he
okay.
was so nice and so
And he
good
is a Mallu.
that he,
And still
yeah.
he, yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah,
there was also
yeah,
this South Indian character in the show, and I
yeah.
still remember when I was, this all charged up and
Hmm.
getting into the skin of the character and stuff. So he saw me and he was like, "Samne se aaye, sir."
Hmm.
Suraj sir, and he's like so nice, and he
Yeah,
taught me the
yeah,
nuances of the
yeah,
character, and I
yeah,
was
yeah,
blessed.
yeah,
So what
yeah,
else do you need when
yeah. True.
such a big
Yeah,
and senior actor comes and
yeah.
helps you?
सो आपकी करियर की और इसकी बातें तो होगी, चलिए थोड़ी सी हम बचपन की बातें करते हैं. टेल मी हाउ वर यू एज अ किड? नॉटी थे या बहुत मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो की हो गया, ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकते कि बहुत ही सीधे बच्चे थे, ऐसे तो मुझे तो नहीं लगता, बट जस्ट आई एम आस्किंग.
But I
लाइक
have done lots of crazy things. आधी
या
चीजें मैं यहाँ पे बता नहीं सकता हूँ.
ओके, तो जो जो
But
बता
I'll tell
सकते
you
हैं
a
वो
few.
बताइए. या
Okay, I'll tell you this one thing. But first of all, I would like to clarify that I do not support this.
हाँ,
I do not
डिस्क्लेमर दे
encourage
दिया
this.
आपने, या डिस्क्लेमर दे दिया
Disclaimer
है.
दे दिया,
या
and
या
that was
कोई भी
wrong.
ऐसा.
But
हाँ हाँ.
yeah, so I was in fifth or sixth standard,
ओके.
and I don't know how many people know this, but
या
I've been born and brought up in Bombay.
हाँ.
So हमारे स्कूल में हमको एक फॉर्म दिया जाता था
ओके.
for the underprivileged and underprivileged people of our society.
हाँ
उनके लिए
हाँ.
पैसे जमा करना होते थे घर
राइट
घर
राइट.
जाके.
यस यस
Every
यस यस.
student was given
हाँ
this.
हाँ हाँ.
So what we did was, me and my group of friends, we Xeroxed one of the copies. We photocopy निकाल लिया एक
या
इसका,
हाँ.
and वो photocopy निकाल के we used to go house to house. We used to collect money in the name of,
हाँ. अच्छा
that
उनका.
is very
हाँ
bad.
हाँ.
So that's
और
the reason
आपने
I'm
उसका
giving a
फुल
disclaimer
पार्टी
right now.
पार्टी किया होगा उसके बाद.
Yeah. So we carried this scam for almost
क्या?
2 to 3 years. Yeah,
ओ माय गॉड.
very bad.
ओ
Yeah.
माय
So
गॉड.
we used to keep on
एवरी ईयर.
taking photocopies of, yeah.
अच्छा. ओके.
जैसे ये खत्म होने आएगा हम लोग दूसरा फोटोकॉपी निकाल लेते थे.
ओ माय गॉड. ओके.
I'm sorry, but
कितने पैसे
yeah.
आपने
So almost,
ऐसे स्कैम
I
करके
don't know.
कितने?
I don't know. I don't know, because every day we used to party after
बट समोसा पार्टी.
scamming people.
समोसा
Yeah,
पार्टी.
samosa party, Chinese party, thumbs up party, whatever.
वाओ.
The kids at that time.
तो बट देन फिफ्थ और सिक्स स्टैंडर्ड, इतना दिमाग. वाओ, प्रीटी शार्प ब्रेन्स.
I am not encouraging this. I am not even proud about this.
Everybody who has heard this, ये कहीं पे भी आपको ट्राई नहीं करना है. ये इन्होंने बताया है कि ऐसा करके इनको बहुत दुख हो रहा है. He just did this and he's not happy about it. Yes. So,
Also many drunk crazy nights with my friends, with whom I miss a lot during this time, a lot. But I cannot discuss all the crazy drunk nights right here.
yeah, okay. So we will not get into that. So tell me about your future projects. अभी इसके बाद आप कौन-कौन से projects करने वाले हैं, या अभी आप like आपने क्या सोचा है इसके बाद?
So as I told you, I'm doing this Gujarati show called Dikri Walno Dariyo for Colors Gujarati. Yeah, which is going on.
Yeah. Okay.
Apart from this, there are talks for a Star Bharat show. I cannot give you more details.
Okay.
So hopefully by August or September. Hopefully.
Okay. Hopefully by so as you said initially that you want to see yourself on the big screen also. तो उसके भी कोई plan है आपके पास? और आप?
I'll be honest. I'll be honest. I never have this plan of becoming a superstar or something. I want to be a dependable actor. My idols are Paresh Rawal ji, Anupam Kher ji. They are my idols.
Yeah. Have you met them?
When I have met Paresh ji, because from the same Gujarati theatre background. I was supposed to do a play with him, but I could not because of date issue, and I regret that.
Just sorry to interrupt. एक आपके fan है कोई Roy 10211, उनका नाम ले लीजिए. Just उनका he wants काफी time से messages कर रहे हैं. Just say hello to all your fans. Yeah. Just say
hi, hello everyone. Thank you for joining in. Love you all.
Yeah. टेल मी. सो आप उनसे मिले हैं, परेश जी से मिले हैं, बट अभी आप लाइक बाकी एक्टर से नहीं मिले हैं, राइट? जो भी आपके आइडल्स
Yeah.
हैं. ओके. तो
Yeah.
सो लाइक अगर अगर मैं इस तरह से करूं, लाइक व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर एस्पिरेशंस? क्या चाहते हैं? लाइक कहीं ना कहीं गोल सेट करके रखा होता है हमने, लाइक दिस इज व्हाट वी वांट, दिस इज, यहाँ पे पहुंचना है.
Oh, as I
लाइक
told you, I don't have such aspirations to be a superstar or something. I just want to work. I know working in this field, waking up every
and
morning
to be
and
known
going
as a
to
good
shoot or
actor. Yeah.
yeah. And I'm blessed that I am doing what I love. There are people
Uh,
out there who do not have the privilege of
yeah.
following their dreams. So
Yeah.
I'm blessed enough
Okay.
that I
Okay.
can do this stuff. So I just want to do this till I die. I just want to
Yeah.
perform on stage
Yeah.
till I die.
Okay, so you have performed, like I am just asking this. You have performed in many of the comedy serials. Comedy आपने बहुत अच्छे से की है. तो कुछ ऐसा आप करके, like अभी करके दिखाएंगे? Anything? कुछ भी, कोई भी character which you love.
I am very bad at mimicry, but
कुछ भी, anything which you just loved while doing it और आपको करने में बहुत मजा आया. जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि आपने साउथ
there's
इंडियन
this
कैरेक्टर,
there's this there's this there's this monologue from an historical play I did. I love that monologue because I'll just perform a few lines from that monologue. सिल्लल्लाही की खिदमत में खाकसार मुल्ला दो प्याजा का फरकुलुस सलाम. आपने खाकसार को इस लायक समझा, ये हुजूर की जर्रा नवाजी है. सुना है महाराज के इस दरबार में कई ऐसे नौरत्न हैं जिन पर हुजूर को बड़ा फक्र है. बिरबल धनिशमंद अल दिमाग अक्लमंदों के अक्लमंद आलिम फजिल बिरबल. पर माफ कीजिएगा हुजूर, जब तक छिपकली ने मगरमच्छ को नहीं देखा था तब तक छिपकली भी खुद को मगरमच्छ समझती थी. जब तक आपको सूरज की तपिश का अंदाजा नहीं था तब तक उसको भी यही गलत फहमी थी कि उसमें भी दुनिया को नेस्तनाबूद कर देने का जलवा है. आज तक बिरबल के अकल की टूटी भी सिर्फ इसीलिए बोलती थी कि बिरबल को उनसे बड़ा कोई खलीफा नहीं टकरा है. लेकिन अब हम आ गए हुजूर मुल्ला दो प्याजा. Yeah, that's
वाओ, मुल्ला दो प्याजा जी
that's
बहुत ही awesome. Like it's like I was just wondering, इतने how much time did you take to rehearse this? कितना time लिया आपने इसको?
it does not matter because I love this thing. Yeah, it does not matter how much time, how much
yeah.
hard work went into it.
Yeah,
I
so
love every part of
amazing,
my work.
amazing, simply amazing. Like suddenly you became
Thank you.
like आप गुज्जू से एकदम से convert हो गए, पूरे पुराने मुगल era में पहुंच गए. So it's amazing, great. So one of your fans wants to know कि आप negative role कब करेंगे? He wants to he's saying that he would like to see you in a negative role.
I'm sorry I did not see his name. Thank
Yeah,
you. Great
yeah.
question. Because I want to do a negative since long.
Okay.
Because मेरा चेहरा ऐसा है and
Cute characters दिए जाते हैं आपको.
the sad part about our serial industry is that they'll go via the face. You know how it is.
Yeah,
I have this
yeah.
chocolatey next door kind of image.
Yeah.
I'm tired of doing those roles.
Yeah.
In theater, I have done negative a lot,
Yeah.
and I love doing negative. And the best part would be such a face
Yeah.
can.
I think the
if it is
monologue
revealed
that
he
you
can
just said, आपने जो अभी monologue किया, ये एक बहुत ही grey shade वाला monologue था, because
yeah, it's grey shade, but I also want to do out and out negative, out and out negative.
I think you would do
I
well.
hope.
मतलब yeah, definitely. So one of your fans just said that when you came as a Gokhale कि आप character में आए, he celebrated with champagne. मतलब amazing love, you get from your fans and followers. So people are saying
I've been
that,
blessed. I just say
Yeah.
I've been blessed.
Yeah. So just say hello to Robin. He wants, and then post that. You just want to give any message to your fans, and then probably post that will wind up. Yes.
Robin, hi. Thank you so much. Yeah, Gumrah was one of my favorite episode.
Yeah.
Because the best part about Gumrah is it's a combination of theater and camera.
Yeah.
So we were not allowed. I just say a few things about
Sure,
the episode.
Sure.
There was no makeup allowed. I was given so much liberty as an actor. There were no those of you who don't know. So as actors in front of camera, we have a space, allotted a
Yeah.
space.
Yeah.
So we have to,
उसी में रहना पड़ता
work
है.
with
Yeah.
the DOP and
Yeah.
the set.
Yeah.
But in Gumrah's case, I was given such a free hand
Yeah.
that I'll decide my actions, I'll decide my area,
Okay.
and the DOP would work
Oh.
after my, yeah.
अच्छा.
So that's a huge thing.
Free hand. Yeah.
I hope
Okay.
I hope I was able to explain that in the best way possible.
Yes. Yes.
And to all my fans here, all my fans, all my friends out there,
Yeah.
just keep smiling.
You
This
have
time
already
would
said
be over
that you're
soon.
missing your friends. Yeah. Yeah.
I miss my friends a lot, a lot. I miss hugging them. I miss partying with them. I miss talking with them.
Yeah.
So
Talk you
I'll just
can.
say,
Yeah.
yeah, I can, but I want to talk with them face to face. That's
Yeah.
different.
True. Yes. मन की बात.
किसी ने
दिल
सोचा
की
नहीं
बात.
होगा कि ऐसे भी दिन आएगा कि
Yeah.
we would be locked in our houses and
Yeah.
there would come a pandemic in our lifetime.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. Exactly.
So I would just say that, guys, please keep smiling. It's just a phase. It will be over soon. And in fact, as I said earlier, utilize this time which you are getting right now
Right.
for doing things you love,
Yeah.
because ऐसा time वापस नहीं आएगा.
Exactly.
कभी नहीं आएगा.
Exactly.
And we
Hello,
would kind of,
Parag.
after 10-20
Yeah.
years, we would miss this time,
And we would be
ऐसा
telling
भी time
stories
था
about
when
this. Yeah.
I would even this interview with you would be a memorable event. I'll say in the future.
Yeah, and it
So
will
that's
be
it.
because it will be there. It will be there in the YouTube channel of our DCM, like Dream Chaser Media की YouTube channel में रहेगा, and it will be there on my Insta handle too, so people can watch it there
Great.
also. Yeah. So thank you so
Great.
much, Jalak. Thank you so much for coming online.
Thank
sharing
you
your
so
thoughts.
much, Dream Chaser Media. Thank you so much for being such a lovely host, Sasha.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I was privileged, and thank you for calling me.
Thank you, and have a nice day. And we wish you all the best for your upcoming series and projects.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.